All right, guys. Now that we created the view, we placed it on the sheet. We're realizing now that we don't like. I want to get rid of this very nasty, very technical looking view title. Guys, can I get you to focus for a moment? Okay, so this is a quick one, I guarantee it. So the view title is something that is also a system family. So it's up here in the top left. It functions with properties and parameters and everything just like any other family or component in the project. So I can edit this. So I can edit the type and I can change some of these things, right? There's the title itself, whether or not to show the title, extension line, all that other stuff. So what I need to do in order to create one that disappears is just duplicate this, and you can just say viewport blank or something like that. And then all you need to do is just switch your show title to no, and it'll automatically set that as no, and it just disappears. Okay, so that's one of them. The other thing that I wanted to show you is how to modify it so that you can change the way it looks a little bit. Not everything about it, but just some simple ones. But you can also go to edit type and duplicate it, and we can say this is viewport. We'll just call it viewport text. And you can do stuff like turning off the extension line so it's just that. But then additionally, if you want to change the way the title looks, you can set that to no. Oh, sorry, not that. We've got line pattern. Oh, that's the line pattern. View title. Oh, none. Okay, right. So if you want to change the way it looks, you actually have to go down, like way down into your families. So that's going to be under here. And it's going to be under, actually, where is this? Annotation symbols? Hang on. Select this. We'll go to edit type, view title. There we go, view title. So, so it's a little bit hard to find, right, guys? It's all the way down under families, and you have to search under annotation symbols. Then you go to view title, and here you have the view title type of the view title family. So it's kind of a nested family because your view title family is a symbol that's loaded into your actual view title family in your project. So in order to edit it, you have to edit the family. So you go to edit, and I'm just going to show you a very simple one, guys, because I don't want to confuse you with like these really fancy view titles and everything like that. But if you want to change, say, a circle to a square, you can delete this and then go to create line, add a new one. We're going to make this a square. Go something like that. Make it look kind of nice. Centerize it a little, even though it's going to change a little bit. Then you actually need to save it as a new type, and then you need to load it in. Actually, yeah, that's not going to give you that. You know what I want to do? Nah, that's fine. I'll just leave it at that. I'm not going to deal with types on this, but I want to just show you. You don't have to do this, but if you wanted to make it square, you load that in, and it changes it to square. Okay, but you can make multiple kinds and reload the families into your project. And then if you wanted to have, actually, you know what, I should show you multiple. Sorry, I'm like really confusing you with that. So I've got a square one. Okay, that's fine. I can go all the way back to the circle one. And let me do this. I'm going to say File, Save As, Family. I'm going to call this one View Title Circle. And then I'm going to load that into the project. Okay, so that didn't change the view title from a square to a circle. In order to do that, I need to change my viewport text. Let's call it viewport text square. I need to change that, duplicate it to viewport text circle. Forgot to close my parens. And then you can change this to view title circle. So now you've got two. You've got a circle and you've got a square. Does that make sense? I just wanted to show you that you can do that since I was on the subject of showing you how to make a blank view title anyway. So, okay. Any questions? All right. Excellent. Thank you. Make sure you set your view to blank.